Yo, what's up world? I would like to show you one very short 30 seconds video what's happened to me last night. So as you saw on the short video from CCTV from my garage, somebody last night at 7:47 p.m. before 8 o'clock, can you imagine that, come to the closed garage. The gate was closed and solid gate don't locked yet because that was before 8 and me and Winnie was outside still. However, the guy come, as you see on the CCTV, and tried to steal my helmet, and he stole my helmet. Actually, he tried to, take out from the locked bike because it was locked under the seat in the bike, and unluckily he cut off this part of the helmet, as you see, cut off, and yeah, my helmet is gone already. Second helmet in this year. Once I lost in Uluwatu, and literally 4 weeks ago I got robbed with Winnie for quite a lot of money, as many of you already know that. So I decided to make it this short update what's going on the streets in general in Bali, because I think this is really serious problem, and somebody should open the eyes and try to fix this problem, because it's too much focusing on one certain problem what is everywhere around the world right now. But the Bali have really starting to having a big problems. Happens to me already second time in this month and third time in this year. So I hope so I will not need to make another third video what's going on here, and this is the proof. Also, I would like to mention, as there are many other motorbikes and even the car inside the garage, because we are living with the other local families. There's quite many people living in this place where we are now. Unfortunately, nobody noticed that because, garage is separate, but they only target my helmet. The guy who entered the garage, he exactly know what he's looking for. He does this, he didn't even touch the helmet of Winnie, which is just behind mine, and it was easy to take because swinging on the mirror. So I feel a little bit like I'm targeted here. I don't know. Nobody kills me yet. I hope so. It's no sniper rifles around looking for me, but I feel like I'm a little bit targeted right now. So if one day that I'm gone from YouTube somehow, so that's probably something happened to me. I also would like to suggest everyone who live in Bali to check your CCTVs, if it's work properly. If you don't have CCTV in your house, villa, if it's rented, maybe you should consider to invest a few dollars and get yourself one CCTV, because I believe it's happened to many people, not only to me. But yeah, just stay safe and take care, guys. I decided to share it just to show you how it looks real situation right now. Unfortunately, that happened to me, and it's not really big deal. I mean, it's just the helmet. However, it's not stolen from the street. It's stolen from the private property, from the house, from the garage, from the closed garage, from the CCTV garage, so everybody can see. So that's, times are quite desperate, I could say. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I come back with the regular vlog tomorrow, as always. Thank you, take care.